In this video, I'm going to give you my thoughts and personal opinion of Larry Benedict's one ticker trader service. Having been a member since 2022, I'm going to give you a basic rundown of how his trading service works and how the trades work. I'm also going to explain what you get with the service, and at the end of the video I'm going to give you a link where you can join Larry Benedict's one ticker trader service for 96% off for only $19, which locks your membership in for a whole year, and you get all of Larry's special reports completely free. In fact, for any pod during the video you want to join, it's going to be a link in the comment description below where you can join for $19. So with that said, let's get on with the video. So, like I said, I've been a real customer of Larry Benedict's one ticker trader since 2022. This isn't one of those weird AI review videos you see all over Google and YouTube. I'm a genuine customer. And I was attracted to Larry's service because I just liked his kind of mindset of how to make money from stocks and the markets. You know, most people like me are buy and hold investors. So you buy the stocks you like and you hold them, and then eventually you're going to sell them for a profit. But obviously this takes time. You know, it's medium to long term investment, not short term. But Larry's service is all about making consistent monthly returns and income month in and month out. And in order to do this, Larry uses financial sort of derivatives called options contracts. Now, I don't want to go too deep into this because that is completely out of the scope of this video. But all an options contract is it gives a person the right to buy or sell 100 shares in a set period of time. But here's the interesting thing. You are making money buying and selling the shares. With an options contract, you make your profit through something called the premium. And I'll explain that very quickly. So when you take out an options contract, you've got a couple of things that you're going to see, especially when Larry issues his trade alerts. You can have an expiration date, because all options contracts will expire, so you must sell the options contract before the expiration date in order to make money. There's going to be a strike price. Now, the strike price is the price that you think a stock is basically going to either exceed or drop below, because you can make money if a stock goes up or goes down. And I'll tell you the types of options you can buy in a minute. And obviously, you've got the expiration date, which I told you, you've got the strike price. And then, obviously, you have got something called the premium. Like I said, one options contract controls 100 shares. So to take that options contract out, you basically multiply the premium by 100. So let's say, for example, you've got an options contract, the premium is $1. It's going to cost you $100 to take out that options contract. So that is basically, options contracts in a nutshell. So you're probably thinking, right, how do I make a profit then? So there's going to be two kinds of options you are going to trade. If the stock is going to go up, you'll take out a call option. If you think it's going to go down, you're going to take out or buy a put option. Now, you're basically going to make money when the price of a stock exceeds the strike price in your options contract. So whether you've got a call option and the stock price goes above your strike price for the call option, you're going to make profit and you're in the money. If it drops below your strike price, because you think it's falling and you've taken out a put, you're going to make money. And that is basically that cause the premium per share to increase. Basically, the higher the stock price goes above your strike price in the shortest period of time is going to determine how much profit you make. But generally on an options trade, you are going to make anywhere from 20 to 100%. And believe it or not, these are actually quite risk adverse trades. The most money you can ever lose on an options trade is going to be the money you pay to take out the option. And for most people, that's only really going to be up to a maximum of $500. If you compare that for buying shares directly, so say if you bought 100 shares of Tesla at $500 a share, that's going to cost you $50,000. But you can basically have a right to buy and profit from Tesla shares for a fraction of that cost and a fraction of that risk, and potentially make more money using options in the process. And that is the beauty of options. Traders use it as basically a way to, hedge their risk on their stock trades, but also to make consistent and reliable income from stock moves. Because like I said, you can make money if the stock goes up and goes down by buying a call or a put. And options work best in volatile markets. And the exciting thing is I think 2026 is going to be a very volatile year potentially for the stock markets. I'm hearing whisperings of a crash. If that happens, there's going to be a lot of money on the table with options trades. So that, hopefully I've given you an idea of how Larry's service works. As for me, like I said, I've been a member since 2022. I don't do all of Larry's trades, but I try and do as many as I can. And yeah, it just helps me to generate consistent, income month in and month out. Now, Larry and me or anyone else, I'm not saying you're going to be a millionaire from this, because this is really all about making small profits and slowly building up your retirement account. Sure, you can take more risk with these trades. You can take out multiple options contracts. You can take 5, 10, 15, 20 out if you want. But obviously, the more options contracts you take out, the more you're going to pay to take out the trade and the more money you have to lose. But for most people starting out, you're only ever going to take out one options contract. So you're only ever, if a trade goes against you, you're going to basically stand to lose what you paid to open the options contract. And that's anywhere from $250 to $500 per trade. But Larry is on an 80% win streak this year. Basically, 80% of his trades has won. So he's been absolutely crushing it this year. So, and even with professional traders, they're winning 50% of their trades. You're a really good trader. So Larry's been on absolute fire this year. And I basically expect that to continue in 2026. So if you're looking for a way to basically make money from the markets without buying and holding, I think this service is worth a try. And like I said, I just use it to earn a bit of extra income and to help me top up my retirement account. I'm not a millionaire, don't claim to be or anything like that. It's just another way to basically top up the retirement account along with a buy and hold share tactic that I have. And it just, even if I only make, $50, $100, $200 a trade, that is great because that's all building up in my brokerage account. So over time, that's going to build up and build up. And obviously, the more your brokerage account builds up, the more risk you can take. You can take out more options contracts and the more money you're going to make. So it kind of compounds. But you can make, if you've got multiple winning trades in a month, for example, it's not out of the realms of possibility, even if you're just starting out, to make an extra $500 or $1,000 a month. But obviously, if you've got more money to invest, you can make way more. If I'm not saying you do this, but if you've got a lot of money to play with and you put 10 grand in your brokerage account and you're buying multiple options contracts, you can win multiple thousands of dollars per trade. But like I said, when you're getting going, just start with one trade and just see how you like Larry's service. Because like I said, you can make anywhere from 20 to 500, 100% plus per trade. Sometimes you'll get a doozy and you'll make 150, 200% per trade. But Larry's more about taking small wins rather than going for the big haymaker, $1 million payday kind of thing. It's more about regular income, more often, more safely. So that is basically how it works. So yeah, that is basically how Larry's system works. As for what you get, you log in for an app or the member website, but basically get the issues and updates. This gives you the opportunity to ask Larry questions about the market or any questions you have. You get a market update every month of what's happening in the market. And obviously, crucially, you get Larry's trade alerts. Now, in the trade alerts, you get a buy alert and a sell alert. In the buy alert, you're going to get an expiration date for your option. You're going to get a strike price and the maximum premium to pay per share. And obviously, the sell alert, Larry will tell you when to sell. and the kind of profit you can expect to make. And you're probably thinking, well, where do I need a special account to do this? Most normal brokerage accounts should do it, like Robinhood. I use tastytrade, which is brilliant, especially if you're living outside the US. You know, most brokerage accounts will allow you to trade options, but I personally like tastytrade. I think it's brilliant. You've got various ways to trade options, and it's really, really good. But yeah, and it's very easy to place a trade. You just go to your brokerage account, choose the stock, go to the options section, plumb in what Larry tells you to do, and you can basically take out your trade in less than 5 minutes. In fact, if you're really good, you could probably do it in less than 2 minutes. And then obviously once you sell it, you just click sell and hopefully collect your profit. So you get the buy and sell alerts as well, which is the key thing. Then you get all of Larry's special reports, a whole library of them, which you actually get for free. And in those special reports, Larry talks about a theme and a stock that he is going to trade potentially when the market is right. So each one of these special reports talks about a theme in the market, a particular stock, and now he's going to use them, trade them using options. They're brilliant. There's so many opportunities. I mean, Larry's got stocks he's going to trade all on: property, gold, AI, crypto, pretty much energy, precious metals. You got all of these, the SPDR 500. Larry's got many different stocks he can pick upon if the market is right in order to trade options with. So you can have plenty of options, contracts and trades alerts to place should you want to. And that is and also you got a training section as well, which Larry gives you a speed course on everything you need to know about options. It's not exhaustive. Will take you less than 20 minutes to go through, and once you know, you'll have a basic understanding of how to place Larry's trades. Now, you don't need to be an expert at options trading. You don't really need to understand it the way you understand it, because Larry's got a special report of how to trade options, what they are, how it works. You just basically need to follow his instructions. You don't need to get really technical in it, because Larry does all the work for you. As long as you can go to brokerage account and follow instructions, you can place Larry's trades. And he's so exciting. He's actually really intoxicating. I find it really fun. Once you've placed your first trades, you'll get a real buzz, especially if you make winning trades. It's really good fun, and it's a great way to supplement your usual investment strategy. So that is my review of One Ticker Trader. I give it a 5 out of 5. It's brilliant. It's one of the best options advisory services out there. It's the best in my opinion. Larry's a master. He's been doing this for 40 years. Like I say, he's been on an 80% win streak. So you're in no better hands if you want to find someone to trade options with, or just make extra money in the market without buying and holding and selling shares. So if you want to join One Ticker Trader, rate it 5 out of 5. There's a link in the comment section below. You can join for $19 and you get all of Larry's reports absolutely free. Like I said, you get a 30-day money back guarantee as well. So if you don't like its service, you can get your $19 back. No questions asked. So you've got nothing to lose and everything to gain. And like I said, I probably wouldn't hang around because I've no idea when the price is going to go up to normal, which is $4.99 for 1 year. So if you want to join, link in the comment description below for $19. If you do purchase, I will get a commission because I wholeheartedly recommend this service because it's really helped me and I love it. Anyway, that's what I've got for you. Hope you found this review useful and informative, and I'll speak to you soon.